Hi everyone, welcome to Lia Chinese. This is Lia. In this video, we are going to learn how to use one word, 紧张 in real context. The other day when I was having a lesson with my student, Jeff, we came across a sentence in the HSK4 textbook, which said, 我们吃完饭再去，时间是不是很紧张啊? Then at that time, Jeff felt very confused. 时间紧张? Time is nervous. How come time feels nervous? And I told him that in this context, 紧张 doesn't mean nervous. 紧张 means has no enough time to do something. So in this context, it means that if we finish our meal and then go to see a movie, will us go to see the movie in a hurry? 紧张 here means to have no enough time to do something or will be in a rush to do something. Actually, a big part of the Chinese vocabularies all have a few meanings, and they are used in different contexts, in different scenarios. From today on, I will make series of videos to tell you how to use words in different contexts. In each video, I will explain exactly what the word means and how to use it in a sentence. And then I will act a little drama or a few dramas to help you understand how to use them. And the next time when you hear it in TV series or movie or on the streets from the Chinese speaking people, you will understand it. So today let's talk about 紧张. We all mean that 紧张 is an adjective. It means nervous. 他看起来很紧张. He looks nervous. 哎呀，紧张死我了. I was so nervous. 我看他那么紧张，我也很紧张。He looks so nervous. It makes me nervous. Here is a little drama. 怎么办？他每次靠近我的时候，我都感觉好紧张哦。你都30多了，还成天恋爱脑，快去搞事业。The second meaning of 紧张 is to describe time. Means that you have no much time to do something, so that you have to rush for it. For example, 时间很紧张，时间太紧了，时间太紧了，我怕来不及。Time is too little, I'm afraid we cannot catch up. Here is a little drama. 5点出发，时间会不会太紧张了？不会，您放心，我已经安排好了。